How to add fingerprint unlock on your Redmi Note 7. First, unlock your device. From the app drawer, find the Settings app. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. Now, scroll down until you see Password and Security. Once you find it, tap on it. Now, tap on the Fingerprint unlock. Your phone will ask you to set a backup password, pattern or PIN first if you haven't already. Now, gently place your finger on the fingerprint sensor at the back of your phone. Lift and place it again when the phone vibrates. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once it hits 100%, tap done and that's it. And just like that, your Redmi Note 7 unlocks with just a touch. Smooth and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below on what tutorial you need next. See you in the next one.